Now that we've seen how we're going to connect to SQL, let's talk about the actual select statement structure itself. What you're going to notice about a select statement, it's really, when you get right down to it, 6 statements. Select, from, where, group by, having, and order by. That's it. That when you get right down to it, even the most complex queries are only ever going to have select, a from, a where, a group by, a having, and an order by. And actually, most of your queries that you wind up creating, or I shouldn't say necessarily most, but at least a lot of the queries that you're going to wind up creating will actually only have the first 3. Select, from, and where. And when you break it down, even the most complex queries that you ever create will always start with select and from. Now we're going to see the rest of this as we go forward, but for right now, just to highlight things, select is where I'm going to choose the columns that I want. From is going to be the tables that I want to get those columns, that data from. My where statement is going to be all of my conditions, and that's going to allow me to filter my rows. My group by is going to be used for aggregates to create groups. So if I'm wanting to group things together, maybe based on a product type, maybe based on a region, so that way I can do maybe average sales, then I can do that with my group by. My having will allow me to eliminate groups. And then finally, my order by will allow me to control the order in which my columns are going to be returned. That's it. That is our select statements.